it's Chuxxsss here. Just adjusting my spot welder. The spot welder is all set up. The 555 timer's over here. There's power in use, I'm not going to go in too deep. 555 timer's over there. The relay is there. There's the transformer, the microwave transformer all set up. I have a trigger over here, which is a button that'll set off the 555 timer. My problem is, I'm not sure whether it's enough time or not enough time. I've used nails, which isn't a great idea, but it works. If I press this, you can hear it in the distance. But if I try to get down to there, my wiring's not exactly right, so I'm going to have to adjust that. Now I'm going to adjust this back to try and level up with this one. You see I've just used a hose clamp to hold that on. It works. Not a great idea, but it works. And we're going to move it back to about the same length as this one and see if that works. But all I get is this will glow, but it won't spot weld properly. Anyway, we'll be back. Okay, I've leveled them off. I'm going to see if I can get this thing running again. The switches aren't going very well around the house at the moment. Oh well, see, I can connect now. I have to press the button. This is going to be the hard bit because I should have done this beforehand. So if you look down, see, I've started a fire. That's how much power this thing has. I have a little light on top, which you can join it also to the output so you know when the output's finished. So I'm going to put another one of those in there later. And it's a recycle box that I made up myself. Now I'm going to switch it off because sometimes it has a little back. It turns on the circuit sometimes because it's still got power in it, which is a bit dodge. Shouldn't do that, but it did at stages. Now if I pick this off, ooh, that is hot. Okay, that's hot. Now it looks like it's welded together, but I'm going to go on the advice that I think this thing works, and it works fine, but I'm pretty sure I can pull that apart in a minute and it'll just fall to bits. Yeah, like that. Look, it's burnt on the inside. It fell apart. It doesn't want to spot weld properly. I'm calling this a fail. My first fail. I'm going to go with soldering of the 18650s. I'm going to solder them myself, and that'll be a lot easier than doing what I'm doing at the moment. And that's about it for the day. I'm actually printing something over the other side. I'll quickly. So I think I've got the bed a bit low at the moment, but hopefully it does something good enough at the moment. It's not doing a really great job. The Zonestar has a serious problem with this board here. The manufacturer should have enclosed it and put a fan on it straight away. Now, if you don't have a fan on these Zonestars, what happens is you'll find one of the driver boards will have runaway, and your design or whatever you're printing will not work at all, and it's a waste of time. So I think it's a bit of a thumbs down for the Zonestar unless you print your own board to cover that and put a fan in. Now I've got multiple fans hanging around which I can use to do this. So at the moment it's trying to print something. If it prints it, then good. Otherwise I'm just going to pull it apart and work out some other way of enclosing that in a box. Anyway, that's about it. If you like this video, please subscribe and please enjoy watching, and if you could hit the like button and leave me a comment. I love listening to the comments and helping out people. Alright, thank you, bye.